200 years ago, in 1819, the most powerful British woman in her lifetime was born, Queen Victoria. A century later, in 1919, women's power was taken to a new level in the birth of the Women's Engineering Society.
So this evening's lecture, entitled Electrifying Women, with myself and Professor Graham Gooday from the University of Leeds, is the start of a very exciting AHRC funded project on the longer history of women in British engineering in the 19th and 20th centuries.
I thought the event is fantastic and we need more events like this.
I thought it was a great event actually, a really good introduction to the history of women engineering and the early history of WES.
Something new that I learnt tonight is the story of Hertha Ayrton, who was this absolutely extraordinary engineer and scientist who sort of came up with all these amazing patents in the early 20th century. I didn't know anything about her story before, so it was really interesting.
The history of women in engineering, I think, is really important to inspire young people. If they're inspired by history, I think that's really important. History is a fascinating thing. People might not want to study it, but it will interest them and give them opportunities to choose the right path for themselves. And I think that's really the role here.
I'll be using the contacts that I've made at this event to spread the net really wide and make sure I'm learning as much as I can from as many places as I possibly can.
It went really well today. It was very exciting. Many people came I'd not met before and went away clearly thinking new thoughts and making new friends.
I thought this evening's event went really well. We had really fascinating questions and contributions, and I think we have started a network of people and organisations that hopefully will build fruition over the duration of the project.
Fantastic.
Illuminating?
Inspiring.
Brilliant.
Network.
Fascinating.